Hi everybody, I'm Jagan from Raj Noho Arts and Crafts. Today I'm going to show you the different type of macrame beads and other items that are related to macrame that we sell in our shop. These are the macrame threads that I have posted in the previous video. If you have missed it, please check the I button here, or you can check description to see that link, and you can see the different type of macrame threads that I have posted. First and foremost, let me introduce these oval shaped macrame beads. So these are 8 mm in size. You can see here all these macrame beads. So these can be used in your baskets, torrents, all other things, and these are glitter in shape. That is, they glitter each and every macrame, and each packet is of 100 gram, 70 rupees. So these are all the colors, and you can use these in all your macrame threads. And this is an oval shaped glitter beads, and these are the oval shape in non-glitter, that is matte finish. They look like capsules. These beads, they look like capsules, you can see here. And these are also available in many different colors, used for making torrents and also for fillers, etc. All these are 10 mm sizes. So you can use these, and this is just 35 rupees per packet, 100 gram. So all these comes in grams only. So you can use these for macrame only, not for any jewelry purpose or other things. These are 6 mm beads, round beads. This is the fluorescent green color, and also you can see here how these looks. So these are the 6 mm beads, and you can see here these are all the colors that we use. Here 8 mm is also mixed here, mostly 8 mm, and this one is only the 6 mm. So both 6 mm and 8 mm we have in these beads. You can use these in mattress making, etc. These are all matte finished beads. And these are the flower shaped beads. You can see here there are holes in it. So you can design your baskets or your torrents, door hangings with these flower beads. Very superb. We have in this multicolor pack. And also you can see here this is also another type of flower bead, like Poland seeds looks. So you can use this also as hangings for hanging purposes. All these are in gloss finish only, so you can wash this easily. And also these are the rose flower beads. You can see here how they look. And also in rose flower there are many colors available. And this one is a matte finished beads. The advantage of matte finished bead is that it does, when you can wash easily, the dirts here will come out easily when compared to the gloss finish. And also this is a 6 mm, 8 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm. These multicolor beads is also available, and these are all the alphabet beads available in different sizes and shapes. And also these are all the different type of alphabetical beads in different shapes and sizes. So when you are thinking of gifting your loved ones a bag or a purse like that, you can put these alphabets in that, in between the 3 mm beads or 4 mm beads like that, and then you can use these macrame beads also. Or else you can use this for making bands also, that is hand band like that, and also bracelets. For these are used. These are the silk woven beads. can see here. So each and every bead is woven with silk thread, and you can use these for the spaces in your torrents like these. There are many different colors available in this, also 50 rupees per pack. So these are also very awesome and attractive colors, and make your torrents, that is door hangings, very beautiful. And these are also the thorn beads. You can see here, this is a looking like a thorn. In between there will be, so I will call these as thorn beads. And these are also available in different dark green, light green, and also this is a dark pink, and this one is a light pink, and also gold, yellow. All these colors also is available, and many more colors are also available in these color, in these thorn beads. You can use this in your baskets, handbags, etc. These are the coconut shaped beads. Like that only. So you can see here how these looks. These are all coconut shaped like that. So these are also used in spaces, mainly in handbags they use these beads. And this is also one of the fast moving beads in my shop for macrame, where we sell this in kgs also. So these are all the beads, and you can get this in multicolor pack also is available. This one, where it gives a very beautiful look for your macrame threads. So this is red and green is the most fast moving color in this category of beads. And you can use wooden beads also for macrame. They also good royal look, and this is available in 12 mm size, and 10 mm size is also available. 6 mm, 4 mm sizes is also available. You can use this for your purse, small items, and also for danglers like that. And we have this wood, that is wooden rings, is also available in 5 different sizes, and also 16 mm, 20 mm sizes is also available. I have posted a video also in this. You can check this I button, or you can check my channel also. You just, and also these are all the different type of oval and plastic beads also, where you can use this for your flower pots, etc. These are the door hanging beads. See here, this is a multicolor one. So they will be putting like these, the door hangings. In the end you can just do like that. So where it would be like this, after the beads it comes like this. And also many shapes, especially for door hangings you will be using this. And these are also available in different colors also, in 100 gram packets. Each pack is 100 gram. You can just take a screenshot and just send in WhatsApp to my number. I can just post you directly. And these are the wooden hangings used in door hangings. So you can see here there is a hole, and there is a hole here also, and this also, where you can put your beads here in this side and this side, and finally finish it off like a wooden hangings. Or else you can use this for plate decorations, miniature pot decorations like that. It has 2 holes in it. So we have many different colors, and they are sold in pieces. For example, this one is 25 rupees per piece, this is 30 rupees per piece, like that it comes. So these are all the wooden hangings, and you can see here this is a pair, wooden Rajasthani pair, this one. See how beautifully they looks, and each one is coated, that is painted with hand only, hand painted. So only quite costly per piece they look. we are selling this. So you can just use these and bring your unique collections of hangings. And these are glass, transparent glass acrylic beads, you can see here. And we have many more collections like diamonds, oval shape, round shape. In this you can check my website also. So these are all the, this is a bigger size and this one is a smaller size, and where you can use these for your door hangings, etc. These are elephant beads. You can see here how they look, and you can put the upper top here like this. So this one is an upper top, so you can put like this. So you can and this is available here, upper top, the carpet, upper carpet. So this is the thing where you can use this elephant beads like this. So here it will be coming like a Thoran form. So like that you can get just 15 rupees per piece. So, and we have these bells also, different types of bells. Metal, gold and silver is also available. Where, can you hear the sound? So this is the bell we have, and you can also use this as hangings also here like this. In air it will be dazzling like this. So these are the different types of bells, and big size, small size, medium size is also available in gold and silver, and it comes in pieces only. And these are also the bells that is available in packs form, and these are all the decoration purpose only. They don't bring any sound like that, but only for decoration purpose you use these bells. So this is available in two different sizes. This is 75 rupees per pack, and this one is also 75, a bigger size. You can see here, this is the bell, and this one is plastic, acrylic plastic. These are chandelier hangings. You can see here how this looks. So where you will be, there will be many holes in this. Can you see here? You can see here the holes will be there in this. You have to put a knot from the with the twine, and then you can put these beads, that is tubes, in between, and thereby bring the beads also, and thereby bring a very good chandelier like collection. Very cheap and best chandeliers you can make. You can do this for school projects, and for your kids also you can train them. There are many collections we have in this. This one is a small size, and this one is a big size, and also this one. Can see here, this one is just 15 rupees per plate like that, and also this is 10 rupees like that. And also you can get the beads and also the twine, and you can make a chandelier out of it. Very beautiful looking thing you can get. These are the flat wooden beads. I have seen many handbags like that, handbags made out of this. You can also make these wooden beads and bring a unique collection for your handwork. And these are the Raja woods. So initially this was coming in wood. Now due to the quality issue where it is getting termites, we are switching over to plastic, and this is also like same. So this is a Raja wood, we call. So you can make different wall hangings like this. Mainly in crochet they use this a lot, and also in macrame also you can use this. Crochet is different from macrame. I will tell you while doing crochet video. And these are the rings that we use for handbags, like that, for your handbags, and also for making the base or also the upper base. You can use these rings also, very beautiful, and 15 rupees per piece. And these are the bag handles. You can see here, this one is a aluminum handle for your crochet bags, handbags, like that, for baskets. You can see here, this one you can just hold it like that. Comes as a pair is 75 to 80 rupees, like that. And this one is a acrylic, thick acrylic, so it won't break easily. This is another one design, and you can see this one is a very cute design here also, where you can get a very good gripper out of it. So these are also available, and this one is a oval shape. So this is a handbag, that is holder, this one. And this one is a basket making a string, so you can use this for making your baskets, like that here. And we have full collections also. So for your hand baskets, for puja basket making, you can just make this, use this. And these are all the steel strings that we have. These are all the steel strings, and this one is an umbrella shape, like that, so where you can make your crochet like that in umbrella shape. And also this one is a triangle shape, where you can use this as a hand, that is handle, or like a base also for your baskets or handbags, like that. You can see here there are 3 different sizes in this triangle shape. So this is the shape of triangle. And this one is a star shape, you can see here, where you can bring your macrame here from here and bring a very good star shaped baskets or bag, like that you can make. And this one is a heart shape, where you can bring your door hangings, etc., like this, for heart shape, like that. The previous one I showed you is this handle, aluminum and plastic handle with rivet. It comes this aluminum handle, but here we have this steel handle also, where you can do your macrame thread work here also, and bring as a, and this is available in 3 different sizes also. So you can just put it and bring your baskets like here. Last but not least, this one is the ring, which is also selling in, where you can use this for your handles, for a base, for making that is dream catchers, etc. So these are all the different shapes of rings you can see here. So all these are coming in different shapes. So and also you can use this at different purposes, and also for different craft items they use this. So not only for macrame, for all the craft we use this steel rings, steel circle rings. So all these are available just 15 to 20 rupees, 25 rupees per piece, like that they comes maximum. And these are all the spaces that we use in between the beads, and also for your macrame, bags, like that you can use these beads, that is flower spaces, like that. So these are also available in these colors. So these are all the beads used, and also the items used for macrame. So kindly subscribe our channel and for regular updates of new products. Kindly like this video if you feel this video very useful. Thank you so much for watching.